How to withdraw money from Z League. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Z League. So in order to withdraw money or cash out, what you'll have to do is basically go to the profile menu and then click on the account settings. Now once you're on the account settings section, simply on the top of the page under your account balance, you'll have to basically tap the option cash out. And once you've done that, simply select the amount you'd like to cash out, and once you follow all the steps provided to you, you will have basically withdrawn money or cash out on Z League. Now there are certain requirements such as identity verification, so any cash out will require you to verify the name associated with your account with a valid government issued ID through Persona, which is their third-party ID verification partner. So without verifying your ID, you won't be able to cash out or withdraw from Z League. And similarly with the fees, there are basically two fees associated with cash outs or withdrawal. The first one is a processing fee and a second one is a PayPal fee. The PayPal fee is instituted by PayPal and varies based on the cash out amount and your location. And finally, the processing fee is $2. So that is basically how you withdraw money or cash out on Z League. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.